It's fucking recording. Motorcycle. Should we get him?
There's a big black car. Nobody. Oh. No, it's not focus. There it go. Recorder. Bell.
That lady wasn't happy.
Anybody else around? Nope. What was that? It's like some sort of pig.
Downtown.
Fucking is in a big circle. What are you talking about down? Fucking cameras everywhere. We can get a ticket in the mail. Oh fuck, how do you go down?
Right there.
This place is fucking confusing.
Set off some car alarms.
That nice car. Get him.
Hit him?
Get him.
You get to see how long it takes for people to. She always does. I think she's looking around.
He's glancing over here.
You're looking at.
Do it again.